Please share your support by subscribing my channel. It give me motivation to work hard. Let's start. 91. What is a best practice for managing customizations in ServiceNow? A. Use update sets to track and deploy customizations. B. Directly modify production data. C. Avoid using scoped applications. D. Create customizations directly in the production instance. Answer. A. Use update sets to track and deploy customizations. 92. What should you do before applying changes to the production instance? A. Test changes in a development or test instance. B. Directly apply changes in the production instance. C. Inform users about the changes without testing. D. Skip testing to save time. Answer. A. Test changes in a development or test instance. 93. How can you rules directly in production? C. Ignore error messages. D. Disable system security features. Answer. A. Use system logs and diagnostics tools. 94. What is a good practice for managing system performance? A. Regularly review and optimize scripts and queries. B. Increase the number of users without considering performance. C. Avoid using performance monitoring tools. D. Create multiple instances without proper planning. Answer. A. Regularly review and optimize scripts and queries. 95. What should you do if you encounter an issue that you cannot resolve? A. Seek help from ServiceNow support or the community. B. Attempt to bypass the issue without solving it. C. Ignore the issue. D. Apply random changes to see if it resolves the issue. Answer. A. Seek help from ServiceNow support or the community. 96. How can you ensure changes are applied correctly? A. Use a structured change management process. B. Apply changes without documentation. C. Skip testing to save time. D. Avoid using update sets. Answer. A. Use a structured change management process. 97. What is the importance of documenting customizations in ServiceNow? A. Provides clarity and helps with troubleshooting and future changes. B. Customizations can be ignored. C. Documentation is not necessary if you know the changes. D. Customizations should be kept secret. Answer. A. Provides clarity and helps with troubleshooting and future changes. 98. What is a common method for optimizing performance in ServiceNow? A. Optimize scripts and reduce unnecessary database queries. B. Increase the number of users. C. Disable all logging features. D. Avoid using performance analytics. Answer. A. Optimize scripts and reduce unnecessary database queries. 99. What is the purpose of the ServiceNow community? A. Provide a platform for users to discuss and share solutions. B. Create new catalog items. C. Manage user roles and permissions. D. Track system performance. Answer. A. Provide a platform for users to discuss and share solutions. 100. What should you consider when planning an upgrade in ServiceNow? A. Test the upgrade in a non-production instance and review release notes. B. Skip testing to expedite the upgrade process. C. Ignore potential impact on customizations. D. Apply upgrades directly in the production instance. Answer. A. Test the upgrade in a non-production instance and review release notes. 101. Which module is used to configure service catalog items in ServiceNow? A. Service catalog. B. Incident management. C. Change management. D. Problem management. Answer. A. Service catalog. 102. What does the global application scope in ServiceNow represent? A. An application that is available across all other application scopes. B. An application with restricted access to a single department. C. A module for configuring user roles. D. A tool for creating new data tables. Answer. A. An application that is available across all other application scopes. 103. Which ServiceNow module allows you to manage and track tasks and incidents? A. Task management. B. Service catalog. C. Incident management. D. Change management. Answer. C. Incident management. 104. What does the application navigator do in ServiceNow? A. Provides quick access to various modules and applications. B. Manages system properties. C. Defines access control rules. D. Creates new users. Answer. A. Provides quick access to various modules and applications. 105. Which feature in ServiceNow helps you design and customize forms? A. Form designer. B. Data import set. C. Workflow editor. D. Report designer. Answer. A. Form designer. Incident management. 106. What is the purpose of an incident SLA, service level agreement? A. Define the response and resolution times for incidents. B. Manage change requests. C. Create new catalog items. D. Define user permissions. Answer. A. Define the response and resolution times for incidents. 107. How is an incident typically categorized in ServiceNow? A. By urgency and impact. B. By user role. C. By configuration item. D. By catalog item. Answer. A. By urgency and impact. 108. What is the role of the incident coordinator in ServiceNow? A. Oversee the incident management process and ensure timely resolution. B. Approve change requests. C. Define data import rules. D. Design new workflows. Answer. A. Oversee the incident management process and ensure timely resolution. 109. Which field on an incident record helps to identify the type of problem? A. Configuration item. B. Assignment group. C. Incident state. D. Category. Answer. D. Category. 110. What does the incident priority determine in ServiceNow? A. The order in which incidents should be addressed based on urgency and impact. B. The specific catalog item requested. C. The user role required for incident resolution. D. The assigned technician's workload. Answer. A. The order in which incidents should be addressed based on urgency and impact. Please like, share and subscribe my